Hello world. Welcome to one of my pointless DIY project showcases. This is what I call a Carl Sagan TV. So it is a Raspberry Pi running in the background. It is connected to a two-button momentary switch. Okay, so I'll get to the Carl Sagan aspect of it in a bit, but I am going to show you one of the primary utilities of this TV. So here I can directly cast a YouTube video playing on my phone onto my TV. So it's not a YouTube video playing on my phone. I'm just going to search for a YouTube video on the phone. And so we have already here a YouTube video open on sort of playing midway. I'm just going to share this onto my TV. So this is done using two apps called Tasker and AutoShare. So I have configured Tasker and AutoShare to send this particular video to my TV. So that's it, it's being sent to the TV. So on the Raspberry Pi you have programs called Node-RED and all running, which is wired to accept the command. So that's it, that's a 5-second video. It was played in a video player called the VideoLAN or VLC media player. Now I'll come to the Carl Sagan aspect of it. So on press of a button on my momentary switch, which is the green button, a video starts playing into the TV. So first you got some bit about Carl Sagan and his date of birth, which happens to be today, 9th November, and a bit about him. And there is a small progress bar in the bottom of the screen showing the wait time of how long this page should hold. After which the video starts playing in VLC media player again.
Carl Sagan was a member of Voyager's imaging team, and it was his idea that Voyager take one last picture. A generation before, an astronaut on the last Apollo flight to the moon had taken a picture of the whole Earth, the planet as a world without borders.
So I've just cut short the video, and this is back to the bit about Carl Sagan, which will display back to its idle state, which shows the time. And that's it. That's the end of the show. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.